Yes, an ASCO block can be mounted in the other side of the divided panel board back box. There are several steps to consider. Firstly, verify electrical code compliance. Ensure that mounting the ASCO block in the divided panel board back box complies with the National Electrical Code, that is, the NIC, and local electrical codes. Secondly, consider adequate space. Ensure that there is sufficient space within the panel to accommodate the ASCO block and its wiring. The divider should be positioned to provide at least 12 inches of clearance from the ASCO block to the opposite wall of the back box. Thirdly, check the structural integrity. Verify that the divider is securely installed and can withstand the weight and load of the ASCO block and its wiring. Fourthly, look into heat dissipation. Ensure that the ASCO block has adequate ventilation to dissipate heat. Avoid installing it in a confined or enclosed space where heat can accumulate. Fifthly, examine the wiring. Make sure to use appropriate wiring and connections for the ASCO block and the lighting circuits it will control. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for wiring and termination. Sixthly, focus on labeling and identification. Clearly label the ASCO block and its associated wiring to identify the lighting circuits it controls. The 42-circuit panel board may need to be de-energized or relocated to provide access for mounting the ASCO block. If the back box is not deep enough to accommodate the ASCO block, one may need to consider using a larger back box or modifying the existing one. It is recommended to consult with a qualified electrician to ensure proper installation and compliance with electrical codes.